Today, we'll take a look at videos about how women are reacting to the new child support law and what it could mean for men in the future. Let's see what's going on.
Trump passes insane new child support law. Patriots, if you don't know about this, Trump passed a new law that whoever is paying the child support will get to declare those children on their taxes, okay? So say you're a single father, single mother, and you are not the one paying the child support. You will not get the tax return for your child.
Seems logical to me.
How do you guys feel about that? This is all allegedly, I guess. We got to see till everything goes through. But this is the talk on the town that Trump is talking about making. And you know what this means, guys. Single mothers, I'm talking to you out there. This one is going to be directed at you.
All the women who voted for that man. If a man pays child support, you can no longer claim them on your taxes. The man has to. He got y'all good, didn't he?
So the idea of that man getting into the White House again terrifies me. I'm not sleeping at night worrying about this.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
He is a tyrant. He's a liar.
What do you guys think about this new law?
Terrify it.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Yo, man, what's up? Why you knocking on my door like that?
It's an emergency.
What's up?
I need you to come to the courthouse with me real quick.
What you need me to come to? No, hell no. I ain't finna go to no courthouse.
Come on. No, wait.
Go to the courthouse for what?
So I can take you off of child support. Don't you want to get taken off of child support?
Even he was shocked when he heard that.
Take me off for child support?
Yeah.
You up to some? Huh?
No, I'm not.
So you want to be next? Take me off for child support?
Yeah, come on. Don't you want to get taken off of child support? Ain't you tired of paying that?
I am tired of paying it, but why though? Like, why now though? Like,
because Trump finna be in office, and you know what I'm saying? He finna make it to where you can't file taxes if the other parent is paying child support. So I need you to come down here. I'd rather have the taxes than that motherfucker. Child support, you know what I'm saying?
You trying to run?
You don't pay child support. I feel like that ain't fair. You don't pay child support like that.
Men already pay, so this will at least help them out.
Also,
child support ain't.
I knew it was something.
Come on, we can bust the taxes down.
No, I'm cool. You know something? I think that, taxes sound better than me paying.
Come on, man,
bro. No, don't touch me. No, hell no.
That ain't fair. I have them all the time, bro. I have them all the time. I spend more money than child support, bro.
I would have tried to work something out with you, but the only reason why you here because you want to get taxes. Guess who got taxes now? Me. Yeah.
Man, get
so,
your
you can keep that child
on,
support,
bro.
man. Hey, I'm not going to no courthouse with you. That's your ass.
Yeah, that's gonna be the next thing that's getting decided on. I'm taking.
Hey,
I'm gonna fight against that.
I get them taxes.
We gonna all come together and we gonna go to the Supreme Court with that.
Tell you something.
Because that's not right.
Hey, let me tell you something. Thank God for Donald Trump. Now get on my doorstep.
Man.
Even if this might be a skit, it's what's going to be happening from now on, where they'll do everything to benefit from that law. But men are 2 steps ahead. This should have always been the way. It's sad that women don't want the man to have anything.
Child support. Did you guys see what Trump just tweeted? Apparently, from now on, any fathers that are currently on child support will get to claim their kid or children for tax season.
Damn!
It's no longer just the mom. And I'm actually very happy about that because I don't think that's fair. Like, you have either the mom or the dad on child support. They're giving you money all year long. So how is it fair that the other parent gets to claim the kid? Or when it's 50-50 and you guys both provide for your kid, how is it fair that one parent gets to take all of that income tax? I've never thought that that's like right. And I'm happy that he's going to do that now from now on. And in my opinion, if the children are 50-50 with the parents, I think the income tax should be split if you guys are both providing all year long for your child for whatever they need.
I'm glad there are some women that support this.
Let's talk about the new tax law that may go into effect. This law would allow the parent that is paying child support to claim the child tax credit. Now, I am completely in disagreement with this law. I feel like it will definitely impact single mothers and children the most. There's a lot more that goes into raising a child. than just a monthly payment. There's financial, mental, physical, emotional support that is needed on a regular basis. The parent that is doing the most deserves to receive the most.
Holy Jesus. What is that?
What about a man's struggle? Why don't we talk about that?
I just have to say something, and I know I'm gonna get hate for this, but guys, it's an opinion. Be open-minded. If not, just block me. Guess what Trump is trying to pass as a law? Hold up. Right here it says Trump's new child support law will be crazy. Basically, if you put someone on child support, you will no longer be able to claim the child on your taxes. Only the person who is paying the child support can.
Yes! Hell yeah!
Now, all the women who are putting their men on child support, I guarantee you they might not be doing that because they can't claim the child.
It's true. Karma always comes around.
That's crazy. I don't know about y'all, but I really think that Trump is going to be doing some damage up in here. And I mean good. To me, this is good. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't think that you can claim stuff the entire time when you're already the one getting the most money all year round. Think about it. You're getting money all year round for child support. Shouldn't he get something in return for constantly paying you? He's not gonna be able to pay you if he don't have money.
That's true, and I respect her smart way of thinking.
As a mother of 4 children, my kids have 3 different dads.
How?
I saw Trump's new law, and I agree. If a man is willing to pay child support and they are willing and forced to pay medical support, by them claiming the kids on their taxes, it gives them a break too, okay? I know a lot of people are against this because I personally feel a lot of women look forward to tax season because of those tax refunds, right? But at the end of the day, if you're dependent on a tax refund, maybe you should find a better career path.
Nice.
Stuff like that. But I mean, yeah, no, I actually think it's a good idea because what's happening is these men are forced to pay child support, or women are forced to pay child support. And then from there, they have to provide medical as well. But if you do not claim your children on medical, if you qualify for any kind of health support, you have to pay out of pocket for your children regardless.
These aren't the kind of reactions I thought I was going to see. I'm glad there are women like this lady out there.
They will not let you add them to your plan unless you claim them on taxes. So I understand why Trump's doing this.
Yeah, you know what's so funny about this child support topic? A lot of y'all ain't even on y'all kids' birth certificate. Y'all can't even put it for a social security card if the baby mama decides she ain't giving y'all none of the information.
Unfortunately, these are the reactions I was expecting.
And what makes the topic even funnier, a lot of y'all behind in child support. Sir, what taxes you filing? Oh, okay.
Who's laughing now?
Finally, someone looks at serious men's issues. Congratulations to the current fathers who pay child support.
So basically, the new law is saying that if you are the one paying the child support, like if you pay child support, you get to claim your kids, those kids, on your taxes. So for the moms out there that are collecting child support, you don't get to claim your kids on your taxes. What? I have so many questions.
What we can notice is that this has taken them by surprise.
Because what if they're back, like they missed some pay? I don't know. I got so many questions, and there's about to be a lot of mad people. But yep, that's the story. That's what's supposedly happening now. So, I guess sorry. I don't know what to say. I'm sorry.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
I just want to know why all these men are so ecstatic over Donald Trump's tweet.
Because for once, this year is starting off good. And I hope it keeps going that way.
About the child support. Now, gotta think on these things, okay? Most likely, if this come into play or come into law, you can't be in arrears. But what I've done with child support with my ex-husband was we got a court order that I get all the evens for the tax or he get all the odds.
I wonder how the new law will affect that.
And we came to an agreement with that. But he lives in a different state. So in the state of Oklahoma, they do state taxes. So he gets that automatically. But because he was $42,000 in arrears, I let him claim the kids because it was coming to me anyway, which helped him because he no longer is in arrears. He no longer is even paying child support.
As long as there is an agreement between both parties, everything will be good. And I wish that was the normal way.
I had to dust off my camera because not Trump sitting up here talking about that for the women who put their baby daddy on child support, then that baby daddy sits here and claims all those taxes. I actually do not disagree with that.
Thank you for your support.
I don't. And I know some argument was, well, it needs to be split because some women don't have an income. Why do you have that baby if you don't have an income and the father does? I mean, maybe it's just because I don't have no kids, so I think about stuff like logically. Like, if me and my baby daddy, if me and my man had a kid and we're not together, he's now my baby daddy, and I don't have a job, but he has a job, why am I not giving my child to that man that can financially support that baby?
That was spot on. Both partners should contribute, not just one.
Until I get my stuff together. Like, is that hard? I don't know.
So let's talk about the child support situation. I think you guys probably misread the tweet. That's not what Donald Trump meant. Because child support is 50-50, if you didn't know that. The women do pay child support. When you have that child support hearing, that's why they ask both parties to bring their income. They equally calculate both income and determine what the father is going to pay.
That's not always true. The person that keeps the kids isn't the one that pays in most cases.
So the women do pay child support. So it does not make sense for the father to claim child support. It won't make any sense. That law won't even pass. Because if that was the case, if Donald Trump was to say, you claim this year and he claimed the next year, it kind of makes sense, but it ain't going to happen, guys. So I'm going to be honest. It's going to be disappointing for you guys because it's not going to pass.
Only time will tell.
Baby, this child tax credit, child support tweet got y'all in the frenzy, don't it, baby? Let me tell you something. If you only paying $200 to $400 a month for one kid, two kids, you know, it ain't even $4,000-$5,000. This ain't your conversation. Exit to the left.
It's shocking coming from someone without a job.
You shouldn't even have thought. Because you're donating. Okay? You're donating to the support of the child because nobody can support a child on $200 a month. Okay, this not your conversation. Okay, so the ones that's paying the 10, the 15, 20K a year, okay, over in that range. Okay, yep, they should receive some kind of credit. But that $200, $160, $80, this not your conversation. We're not gonna put y'all over there with them. Okay.
I don't care how much these men contribute. As long as a father is trying and providing and being present, that's all that matters.
Guys, I wanted to touch base on that law that Trump is, done passed. Did y'all hear about if the father pays child support for the kid, that at the end of the year, when it's time to file your taxes, you will not be able to file taxes. The only person that can file taxes is the father for that kid. Do y'all hear what I'm saying to y'all?
This law is one of many yet to come. We don't know what laws will come in the future, but we sure know that men have been struggling for the past few years. And it's good to see them get something good lately. This is men's nature. And as men, it is our duty to go against the current of life's hardships and stand unshaken. Well, guys, that was all for today. We'll be back soon.